we will be learning about various kinds of data that we can feed. Data is information that is given to the computers for processing. So, any kind of information will take different formats. The basic format is characters, numbers, and if I'm using Excel, I will be using certain formulas I require to sometime insert date as well as time. So starting with the first kind of text, that is the or first kind of data, that is the numbers. I will be showing you how I'm able to insert the numbers. These are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10.98 and so on. So in this particular manner, I will be able to insert the numbers. Now suppose I'm inserting a very big digit and I require to insert a commas in between. So over here, if I'm just pressing this particular thing, that is 1,000, and I require to insert a comma, I will be going in format option. I will be going in numbers. When I click on the numbers, you will be able to see numbers, percentage, scientific, accounting, financial, currency, and so on. So I'm selecting the numbers. As soon as I click on the numbers, it will be converted to 1,000.00. So this is the way of entering the numbers. I'm just deleting this. In the second thing, I will be able to enter text. You all are aware what is text? It is nothing but a group of characters. So first I'm entering roll number, then I'm entering name, then I'm entering marks, then I'm entering grade, then I'm entering percentage. So these are nothing but they are group of characters. So when I'm talking about group of characters, they are called as text. Now moving on to another type of data, that is date. Now inserting of date, it is very simple. First come in format, go in numbers, you will be able to see date option over here. Click on the date and I will be entering date 3/08/20. You will be able to see it will be automatically converted into date format. Then the next thing is that I'm having time. How to insert the time? Again come in format option, go in numbers, you will be able to see time option over here. When I'm clicking on time, I will be inserting the time as 8:12. You will be able to see this will be converted into hours, minutes and seconds. 8 hours, 12 minutes and 0 seconds. And last, how to insert the formula. Now, in order to insert the formulas, I'm making use of certain numbers over here. On one cell, I'm just typing 25 and on the other cell, I'm typing 80, 60. So I'm coming to another cell, that is cell E1. Over here, you are able to see fx. Fx is nothing but it is a formula. In order to insert the formula, we are using which particular key? Equal to key. As soon as I'm pressing equal to key, the cell is automatically converted into a formula cell. I'm selecting the first cell with the help of mouse click. I'll be pressing plus. I will be able to enter the plus sign. Over here, you are able to see many plus have been inserted. I'm just erasing some of the plus sign over there. And I will be able to select E3. As soon as I'm pressing enter key, I will be able to see the addition of these three things. Now in the same manner, if there are certain numbers and I require to subtract them, again, which sign is there? Equal to, it will be converted into a formula or directly come over here, select the first cell with a minus sign, select the second cell, again press enter. So this was just the basic operation. We will be covering all the operations in detail.